Next topic is voter list. Our country is a democratic country, and in a democratic country, democratic elections are held, and in that election, voter list is prepared much before the election. That means the eligible voters' names are included in a list, and thus list is prepared much before the election and given to everyone, and is known as a voter list and is officially called electoral roll. Okay, and this is the responsibility of the government to get the name of all the eligible voters, those are above the age of 18 years, put on the voter list. So the voters are required to carry election photo identity card, voter cards, that means when they go out to vote, so that no one can vote for someone else, no one can misuse the power. But the card is not yet compulsory for voting, as voters can show many other proofs of identity like the ration cards or the driving license. Okay, so and this is voter list. It is very easy and very important question. Voter list means you can simply write like this way: much before the election, a list of people who are eligible to vote or who are at the age of 18 years or above the age of 18 years is prepared and given to everyone and is called voter list. Okay, now the nomination of candidates. Nomination, that means before the election, the candidates who are going to contest in the election, who are that means willing to contest in the election, they can give the nomination. Okay, anyone who can be a voter can also become a candidate, but he should be a minimum of 25 years of age. Okay, a voter should be at the age of 18 years or above the age of 18 years, but a candidate should be a minimum of 25 years. Okay, every person who wishes to contest in the election has to fill out a nomination form and give some money as security deposit and to the election commission, and the candidate has to make a legal declaration in the nomination form, and that means he has to give his full detail of if he has any serious criminal cases pending against him, or details of the assets and liabilities, his properties of the candidate and his or her family, his educational qualification, like this, all the details of these details he has to write in the nomination form. Okay, this information is made available to the public so that voters can make their decision on the basis of the information provided by the candidate. Okay, this information given by the candidate is made available to the public. মানুহৰ মাজত এটো available কৰি দিয়া হয়, জনাই দিয়া হয়, so that voter can make their decisions on the basis of voter can make their choice on the basis of this information provided by the candidate. Okay, that is the nomination of the candidate. Thank you.